What if I told you there's a way to turn simple ideas into real income using AI without coding, without a big budget, and without a tech background? In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bolt.new to make money, whether you want to build apps, create tools for clients, launch micro SaaS projects, or flip digital products. This platform can help you move fast. We will cover what Bolt.new actually does, the smartest ways to monetize it, real examples of income ideas, and how beginners can get started today. So if you're looking for a new online income streams this year and want to leverage AI the smart way, make sure to watch this video until the end and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. So, let's begin. Before we can start making money using Bolt.new, we need to understand one very important thing. What exactly does it do and how much does it cost? Because let's be real, if you want to make real money online, you'll likely need to invest some money first, right? So, we are going to break down Bolt.new's features and pricing plans so you can decide which one makes sense for your goals. Bolt.new is an AI powered development platform that lets you build websites and web apps directly in your browser fast. You can create projects, host websites, manage databases, and even deploy full applications without dealing with complicated setups. With that being said, of course, we need to understand the pricing plans. If you're just getting started, Bolt offers a free plan, and you get to have all these. This is perfect for testing ideas, learning the platform, and building small projects. But keep in mind, you'll have token limits and Bolt branding on your site. If you are planning to monetize seriously, you may outgrow this plan quickly and go to the Pro plan. Now, this is where things gets interesting because with Pro, you get to have all these. This plan is ideal if you want to sell websites to clients, build SaaS tools, create monetized web apps, run affiliate websites, offer digital services. Removing Bolt branding and adding a custom domain alone makes this plan much more professional. This is where you start thinking like a business owner. And of course, the team's plan is if you're working with developers, designers, or a content team. This plan includes everything in Pro, and this is really built for agencies, startups, or growing online business. And if you are part of a large company's Bolt offers enterprise. This is for high volume teams that need serious infrastructure and support. But for now, we are going to start with the free plan and let's see how Bolt.new can help us monetize and create revenue. You can sign up using your Google, your GitHub, or you can use your personal and business email and then follow the on screen instructions. Now, there are plenty of ways to make money using Bolt.new. Number one is building and selling micro SaaS apps. This is the most powerful method because you can use Bolt to create a simple invoicing tools, AI content generation, niche calculators, booking systems, CRM tools for small business. For example, let's say we are going to create a small invoicing tool right here. All we have to do is super simple. Let's type the prompt right here. All we have to do is click the Build Now button. As you may notice, Bolt has created an invoicing tools just like that. It's super simple. Now all I have to do is publish this work because you can sell this project. You can charge your customers like $5 to $29 per month, or maybe sell a lifetime deal from the invoice that you have created here in Bolt. Right now, you are only using the free plan. Why? Because you already created something valuable, an invoicing tool for businesses. Instead of upgrading immediately, you build first, then sell it. Once someone pays you, then you scale. You take that profit and move to the Pro plan to unlock more tokens, remove branding, connect a custom domain, and scale faster. That is called reinvesting your earnings. Now, the big question is, where do you actually sell this invoicing tool? Number one option is Using Google Maps. Now, search for small businesses in your area. For example, I am looking at restaurants. If you find a restaurant that doesn't have a proper website, only has a simple menu posted, looks like they are not fully tech integrated, that's your opportunity. If they don't even have a proper system online, chances are they're still doing invoices manually or using outdated tools. This is where your marketing skills come in. You can find their email address, call them directly, send a simple pitch explaining how your invoicing tool can save them time and organize their businesses. You're not just selling software, you're selling confidence and efficiency. Now, another venture that you can explore is freelancing and outsourcing websites like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms, you can simply offer a custom invoicing systems for small businesses, AI content generation tools, and of course, UGC or user generated content for businesses who are constantly looking for automation tools. And you already have the skill to build them using Bolt.new. All you have to do is go to your profile, click the post a project brief. In my case, what I'm going to do is I am going to be your AI and UGC content creator. Click the generate brief discussion, all right, and post your advertisement. Now, once someone asks for your service, this is where the magic happens. You simply head over to Bolt.new and create your UGC. Press the build now. It's that straightforward. And just like that, you don't need a huge app. A simple prompt solves problems. Bolt helps you build fast so you can focus on selling your services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Now, here's another option that you could look into. Instead of building custom projects every single time, why not create templates and sell them? Think about it. If you build an invoicing system, a booking app, a simple CRM, or portfolio website, or even a content planner, you don't have to sell it just once. You can turn that into a template and sell it over and over again. That's the power of digital products. You can simply sell them at Gumroad or Etsy. All you have to do is simple go back to Bolt, just type in your prompt, click the build now, then you turn your idea into a prompt that is now a template. Now imagine this. You upload it to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad and you sell that template 50 times. At $19 each, that's going to be like $950 from one build. No client revisions, no meetings, no custom work every time. And just like that, all you have to do is publish. And basically, that's how you use Bolt.new to make money, build once, sell repeatedly, and scale smart. And with that being said, Bolt.new is not just a tool, it's a shortcut. If you treat it like a hobby, you'll make hobby money. But if you treat it like a business tool, you can turn simple builds into real income streams. It removes the biggest barrier most people have, which is technical skills, and replaces it with speed. And in today's market, speed wins. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with Bolt.new. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.